Hey you guys, today I am doing DeMarcus hair. Yes, D-Mac himself, okay? So we just currently wash his hair. Baby, when I say I just wash his hair 3 times because of the buildup and dirt whatnot, I know he don't want me to tell the baby, but baby, that need damage control. But Mr. Perfect, Mr. Diva, he's a diva when it comes to the hair, y'all. I promise you, like, you'll probably see my face expression. I don't know if y'all gonna see my face expressions in my hands. I don't know. Since I don't have multiple cameras, you just gotta get whatever angle it's gonna get. But we got all our things right here. Yeah. So this is just a retwist. So welcome to my video, cause this shit is not to me good, I think. Pray for me, y'all. Pray. I never did locks. My first time ever doing retwist. Well, my first time doing any kind of locks. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. But we got this girl. We got this girl power. Girl power. Yeah, for the locks. Lock head. If I get good at this, just call me. You feel me? You feel me? Let's just roll the clip.
You got them 3 Jesus pieces looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. I'm so far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I had to turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Yeah. These rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. You trash. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends. Yeah.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with you. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with you, blessed with you. If you ever noticed, why I'm in my best with you, yeah. Getting know I'm about you. I hear when we're apart, 'cause I love being around you. Embrace all my flaws when you didn't have to. Stay holding me down, even when I'm not around. You see him know it's on me. You see him know it's on me. You see him know that's on me right there. You see him know it's on me. You see him know it's on me. You see him know that's on me right there.
I'm moving on by myself, but loving having been there, yeah. And every minute that we share, I've been in my bed with you. You know I ain't playing about you. I've been eating right and sleeping through the night for the first time in a long time. That's why you know you're my heart, and you know I'm about you. I ain't been there apart, 'cause I love me around you. And it's just so wrong, even when you didn't have to. Stay holding me down, even when I'm not around.
You see him know it's on me. You see him know it's on me. You see him know that's on me right there. You see him know it's on me. You see him know it's on me. You see him know that's on me right there. When you see him, you see on me. When you walk by, that walks on me, that talks on me, that all on me. When you see him, you see on me. When you walk by, that walks on me, that talks on me, that's on me. You know it's on me. You see him know it's on me. You see him know that's on me right there. You see him know it's on me. You see him know it's on me. You see him know that's on me right there.
Throwing dirt on my old name only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it. Look, you know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide. Your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet. All the things we try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited. I don't wanna fight. Yeah. I figure out you figure out me. We go for different breed. I'm following your lead. I ask you what you need. You say guaranteed. I mean, you say that like it's easy. You never believe me. Tell ya I got sleeves for these other girls sleeping on them. Girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive. But you're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it. Roman on 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. Fire. Hey, Roman on 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, how it go. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Get it, they coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got you out, doors up. Baby, you was loud, straight, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist, close. Time on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming to show. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. see when you wanna see it. When I touch you, I tell you I won't waste your time. I turn it up just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it up just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get popping on the low. Better days coming for sure. Why are you coming for it?
That's finishing touches. That's it. Hey you guys, at this point you reached the end of the video. Basically I had to go back and retwist the twist because I did it the wrong way. I was supposed to win the opposite, right? And the result actually came out okay. What I have done wrong was like the two pieces in the front, I didn't know whether he had to cut it or he just gonna leave it out, or he want me to kind of blend it in or something like that. That was kind of hard on both our ends because we re-examined the front part of it. That was like the only problem I had so far. It was a lot, but he actually liked it, and I felt like I was critical on myself. So I was like, yeah, I didn't think I did it right. I feel like over time I will be better than this. So that was my first time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Until next time, peace, love, and light.